Learners, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to AppTest. Today I will introduce you my channel. So let's start. First of all, what is AppTest? It's very benefit for the viewer to know about what they are viewing. They are viewing AppTest. So I'm going to explain you what is meant by AppTest. AppTest stands for academic, professional, and technical skill training. Here at AppTest, my dear audience, you will learn about the academic subject knowledge, the professional knowledge. The professional knowledge will be specifically about the rules, procedures, HR competencies, and the human behavior at workplace. And the technical skills will be about the technical fields like e-commerce, stenography, English typing, and many others technical areas which will come under the ambit of theoretical knowledge we will provide you at the channel of AppTest. So AppTest means academic, professional, and technical skill training. Why AppTest? The question which rise in your minds, why we view AppTest for all these. So in this regard, I am going to tell you that why you will view AppTest. So viewer, when we log into the YouTube or any other social media platform, we experience there are a lot of challenges about news and channels about news, analysis, e-commerce, education, entertainment. What all this environment we experience, a small number of education channels exist because people want to know, mostly entertain, and the interest with real knowledge is very low. And Aptest will boost your knowledge towards real knowledge, which is actual knowledge, which is the need of learners, students, educationists, academicians, and professionalists, which is the prime knowledge. Aptest will provide you the opportunity to learn at Aptest that prime knowledge. In this environment, Aptest is designed to deliver the subject-specific academic knowledge, professional and technical knowledge in its real spirits. All knowledge which will be delivered at the Aptest will be real, actual, and understandable to the general common viewers of Aptest. So it will empower. This knowledge will empower its viewers, the students and learners of business education, and strengthen your competency which you have in the field of education, business education. Because Aptist is going to launch a series of subject-based lectures, technical skill knowledge lectures, professional knowledge, and the other competencies which you are required in your real life. So AppTest will deliver that type of knowledge to you. What would be the contribution of AppTest in your knowledge upgradation? AppTest will contribute for upgradation of your management knowledge, research, business communication, accounting, marketing, finance, investment, business ideas, and many other subjects knowledge. Contribution of aptness will develop in you viewers professional skills, professional HR competencies, government roles, employment, benefits, rights, duties, and privileges, e-commerce skills, all that skills will be reviewed and rescheduled and redesigned at the format test for the better understanding with a motivation spirit will be delivered and people will start to earn their online earning. So here Aptest will also arrange for you the techniques of income tax returns filing, whether these techniques are related to individuals or AOPs. So it will equip you to file your return. You will not be need to go anywhere and you will not request to anyone for the filing of your return. This will be provided you on this channel. Now the technical skill of English shorthand is very limited. It will be very useful for those intermediate and metric level students and graduate students to develop an extra ability in themselves of English shorthand and English typewriting. So we will here learn you, we will teach you the mechanism of English shorthand and the typewriting. So you people will be able to participate in competitive exams where many more vacancies of governments are announced, even though in private offices a private secretary is needed to represent the direction in short words and reproduce it in a quick way. So shorthand is more important for that people who want to perform this type of job. Same, the English typewriting is very important and every field of life English typewriting is necessary and needful even though you have to do the freelancing. Your first step, which is easiest known in the field of freelancing, is typewriting jobs. So here you will learn the typing skills also. Thank you for watching Aptest. Don't forget to subscribe for upcoming lectures and videos of Aptest. Allah Hafiz.